Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing of a proof coin from the Royal Mint. Now for those of you that have been watching my channel for any length of time, you'll know that I'm not currently buying silver, especially brand new silver from the Royal Mint, and that is for various reasons. But I am actually subscribed to the Tudor Beast series, and that is a series that I'm going to be completing. It's my first series that I've ever signed up for in the Royal Mint. And I'm really excited to actually complete the series and put it in the box and actually have a full set that I've actually collected from new. It's kind of a bit of an experiment to see how well it performs over time, and it's just a little bit of fun. But after this series is complete, I will not be buying anything brand new from the Royal Mint, and especially proof coins, because I've had a number of issues. For those of you that have watched previous videos of my pickups of proof coins from the Royal Mint, you would have seen those issues. So I'm really hoping that we have a flawless unboxing and there's no issues with the coin that I've received today. Now, I just wanted to talk about this glass test tube that we've got here. Now, this was actually sent to me by Space Miner. And after doing quite a lot of research into trying to work out what it was, and after researching a number of different suggestions that people put in the comment section, it turns out that it's called tritium. Now, I'm not sure if I pronounced that right, so I will put a picture of the spelling on the screen now, but it's spelled T-R-I-T-I-U-M, tritium. And it's actually a radioactive element, and it does actually glow in the dark. Now, I can't actually show you how it works, because even if I turn off this lighting, you can see that the room that I'm filming in still has a little bit of light coming in. So there's not an actual way that I can show you how this works in today's video. But it is actually really, really cool, and it does actually glow in the dark. So that is something I'll have to show you on a different video when I'm actually filming in reduced daylight. But for now, you'll have to take my word for it. But it is a very, very cool piece. So thank you again, Space Miner, for sending me that. Really, really cool and really interesting. I've actually really enjoyed researching that. And I'll have to actually put a whole video out in the future for those of you that are interested in the element and its purposes and all the rest of it. But in today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing. And I'm really excited to see this, and at the same time I'm really hoping that this coin is okay. I don't want to have to go through all the hassle of sending back yet another proof coin from the Royal Mint. I just want to be able to unbox it, showcase it, and add it into my deep stack. And then eventually, when we've got all 10 coins from this series, we'll do a video of me going through them all one by one and adding them to the display case box. But this one, like I said, is the next one in the series. It's the Tudor Dragon 2024 1 ounce silver proof. Looking from the outside, the box looks in very, very good condition. And not many people kind of take enough time checking over the box when you receive your proof coins. I think, especially with proof coins, it's extremely important to make sure that the box is in good condition. Because when you're buying a proof coin, you're also paying the premium for the display box and the case and everything that it arrives in. That is part of the premium when it comes to sell the coins. If you've got a battered box and you've lost the COA and the little booklet and stuff that comes with it, you're not going to maintain the premium that these proof coins hold in the first place. So that's a very, very important thing to do. Don't just examine the coin, also examine all of its contents that come with it. But that is the booklet there, the Royal Tudor Beasts. And let's have a look at the coin. Really, really nice. I really like these kind of matte finished boxes. They look really, really classy. But let's have a look at the star of the show. So you can see the COA is number 2163. And that is of 5,000. So maximum coin mintage is 5,510. But in these display boxes, it is 5,000. They always print slightly over so that if they have any issues and things like that, they've actually got coins to send back. Now you can see the coin's a bit lopsided in there, but we'll ignore that. And let's have a look at the coin. Okay, so first impressions, really, really like the design. I've said it before, but I really like the kind of simple text on this series. I think it really makes the design in the middle pop. Nice mirrored background there. I will check this coin off camera just to make sure I haven't missed anything. But you can see, looking quickly, let me know in the comment section if you spot anything that I haven't, but looking quickly, it looks in very, very good condition. I wouldn't advise you doing this with your proof coins because you don't want any dust or anything to get in the case. You don't want to risk dropping it also. But for the purpose of this channel, to showcase the coin in all its glory, that is what it looks like with the capsule lid off. Really, really nice looking coin. Now, if you're looking at these coins, these proof coins, and you think there's a mark on the coin, but you're not sure if it's on the coin or the capsule, an easy way of finding out is just to rotate the capsule a little bit. Don't take the whole capsule off, just rotate it a little bit, and you can see if the mark moves with the capsule lid or whether it's actually on the coin. But again, that side looks very, very nice, very flawless. I will have to check it off camera. But yeah, I think they've done a good job with this coin. So very, very pleased with that. Does seem to take a long time for these coins to actually arrive though. From when they actually announce them on their website to when they actually turn up in your hand, sometimes takes well over a month. So bear that in mind if you sign up to any of these series. Sometimes it's actually quicker not to sign up to the series and just buy the coin as soon as it's released on the website. Sometimes you'll get it a lot quicker that way, instead of waiting for your kind of pre-reserved one to arrive. But there we go. Really, really nice looking piece. I'm quite pleased with how that's turned out. Let me know in the comment section if you're stacking the Tudor Beast or whether you're not buying things from the Royal Mint currently. As always, thanks very much for watching my videos. Thanks very much for all the comments, likes and shares. I really, really do appreciate it. And as always, I hope you have a very nice day.